Okay, everybody. Today we have a 2012 Ford Ranger 2.2 turbo diesel. This is a T6 model. I'm showing the light there because this car's low beams was not working, and that's a common problem for these vehicles. I'm just doing a walk around so you can make sure we're dealing with the same car. These vehicles came out between 2012 2015. Here the guys are removing the BCM. It's right hand drive on the right hand side, left hand drive, surprise surprise, also on the right hand side. There is your fault codes. It's normally a low beam circuit problem. Sometimes these body control units also don't want to communicate. There you can see the part number. You will find this in all the T6 Rangers and all the territories in the same year model, or in that same range of year. These vehicles came out mostly in Africa, Canada, some places in North America, in between the F-150. There's a picture of always take a picture of your fuses before you remove it. So here we already opened the BCM. There's a lot of programmers that you can use to rework this BCM, but today we're using VVDI Proc, which is a very nice tool to use. Very user friendly. Very user friendly. Here we are just making connections to read the processor. You will see shortly what protocol to choose. Oh yes, and if you join our website, we have almost 300 gig of protocols for different vehicles, different repairs, including BCMs, instrument clusters, ECUs, TCMs, ABS control modules. So if you want to take your workshop to the next level, or you're just a car enthusiast that wants to do or repair the stuff yourself, and it's worth it, because at this stage, if you're an enthusiast, the dealers will just replace that unit and reprogram it. You will pay an arm and a leg, and sometimes a big toe and a small toe, and if they're really expensive, right ear as well. Any case, there you can see your connections on VVDI. It's a 9S12 processor. You must be careful, because some of them you can actually kill by reading it with the wrong protocol. So make sure you choose the right one, and you check, double check, and check again, like carpenter. Measure 3 times before you cut or drill, or whatever carpenters do. Yeah, I am just looking to make sure that's exactly what I told you just now. I'm making double sure that I'm choosing the right protocol for the specific processor. XEP768 MC9S12 XEP. There, I'm just reading the ID. Make a backup, always make a backup of your work. This car came driving. If you make a mess up with this BCM and you have to phone your customer to tow it away, he's not going to be happy. Oh, by the way, the dealers replaced this and they have to program it back into the car, so they're going to charge you for the part and also labor to program. Join our website, subscribe, become a subscriber, and then you will have all of this information available. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can come into personal contact with us via email, WhatsApp, or video call, whatever you prefer. There is different tiers that you can subscribe for 1 day, 1 month, whatever. Go check it out. Okay. Oh, by the way, this process is partitioned. So do not write or do not change the partitioning. The partitioning has to stay the same. If you want to know more about partitioning of a processor, then get into contact with us. We will explain it to you. If you understand how it works, it makes it easier for future jobs, because all the modern processors is partitioned, similar to a PC. But we will teach you that, and we will show you how it works. The cat is out of the bag. We need to share this info and get everyone to make some money. Mechanics, auto electricians, electronic engineers, there's the partitioning I'm talking about. Just keep that the same. If you're not sure how it works, drop us an email, and please comment in the comments below and subscribe so we can make more videos. Let us know what videos you're looking for. We repair quite a few vehicles a day, so if you want something specific, I will make an effort to bring it up. I'm still learning how to make these videos. I was actually trying. Oh, there's your last picture of your thing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I hope you like the channel. Let's go future.